Motorcycle manufacturers around the world are quietly working on next-generation engines to meet Euro 5 emissions restrictions. It makes sense that Honda would use its latest engine in a future vehicle, given rumors that a larger, supercharged 1080 cm3 Africa Twin is in the works. Young Machine has produced some computer-generated imagery, CGI, prototypes to illustrate potential future developments. The Young Machine crew has produced some computer-generated imagery, CGI, mock-ups, of what Honda is expected to produce. The Neo-Retro GB1000TT is the one we're most anticipating. Take a look at it. Isn't it lovely? Additionally, according to Young Machine, a higher-capacity Rebel cruiser may be in the works, albeit that is still only conjecture. It's evident from the Honda GB1000TT's look under its cover that the CB4 Concept Interceptor, which utilizes the 2018 Honda CB1000R's basic body, is the model that inspired the overall design. It appears, though, that the engine on this GB has been taken out and replaced with a new one. As can be observed from the side crankcase, this motorcycle has many of the same notable characteristics as the engine of the model we are discussing. Furthermore, the usage of the moniker TT, Tourist Trophy, reinforces the sense of performance and a strong racing tradition, while indicating influence from the storied Isle of Man TT racing event. Particularly in the high-performance vintage motorcycle market, the GB1000TT may pose a serious threat to models like Kawasaki Z900 RS Café, the Triumph Thruxton RS, or perhaps the BMW R9T, if this rumor turns out to be accurate. What is interesting and unfortunate is that we still don't know how Young Machine got information about the making of this GB1000TT, and when they will release further information. Let's just wait and see what other information they will provide about this Neo Cafe racer in the future.